Welcome beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a scrub with pawpaw or papaya. I'll be making a mask and a scrub with papaya, and I'll be adding some wonderful ingredients like honey and aloe vera gel. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends and loved ones. Also make sure you click on the post notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload a new video. Pawpaw has some natural cleansing ability. It contains vitamin C. It also helps heal and protect the skin against sun damage. It also helps cleanse the skin of impurities, unclogs pores, prevent break, and that makes pawpaw excellent for people whose skin is prone to acne. Pawpaw is rich in several antioxidants, including lycopene, which helps reduce damage to the skin cells that are typically caused by free radicals. So here are some skin benefits of papaya pawpaw. Pawpaw helps moisturizes the skin, helps clears pigmentation, helps reduces wrinkles, helps reduce under eye dark circle, helps treat eczema, psoriasis, also helps treat melasma, suntan. It helps remove tan, and it also helps clears breakouts. So what I did was to get my pawpaw, wash it, pat dry, divide it into two. Then after that I divided the half and I chopped it into little bits. Then I placed it in a clean bowl. Next I got brown sugar and I added like 1 tablespoon of brown sugar into another separate bowl, after which I went to blend the papaya off camera and later poured 2 or 3 teaspoons of papaya into the brown sugar, and also some tablespoons or teaspoons of rice flour, and I mixed that all up together, and this is how I made my papaya scrub. So after mixing all of these ingredients together, the next thing is to use it. I'm going to be using the back of my hand as example. So I'll just place a little bit of this scrub on the back of my hands, and I will scrub it for some time, and I'll leave it for 15 minutes. Let's just say 15 minutes, and allow the scrub to penetrate deeply into my skin before I will go and wash it with warm water or lukewarm water or even cold water. Then apply your moisturizer. You can also do this on your face. Wash your face, then apply your moisturizer. After using it to scrub your face, wash and apply your moisturizer. So the second method is to use it as a mask. Making use of honey and aloe vera gel, I'll be combining both ingredients together before adding my papaya to it. Aloe vera gel contains smoothing ability. It helps calms the skin. It helps smooth out irritation. So then honey is a natural exfoliator, and it also contains some hydrating properties. These properties helps the skin to glow. This helps the skin glow without adding any harsh chemicals or leaving behind any irritation. So both the aloe vera gel and the honey, both of them contain calming ability. So after doing that, I will later add in my papaya and I will mix that up together, the aloe vera gel and the honey. I will mix all of them together to form a mask. You can use this mask once every week or 2 times in a week. So I poured 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into a clean bowl and 2 tablespoons of honey also into the clean bowl, and I mixed them up together. So this is how it looks when combined together. So this brings us to the ending of this video. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends and loved ones. Also give this video a huge thumbs up. And that's it. See ya!